Hello! If you have seen some of my videos in the past, you know that I live in an area where the summer months get very hot and baking becomes difficult if you want to keep the house cool. So you have probably seen the videos when I'm baking my bread outside in my grill to avoid getting the house too hot, or outside in my Dutch oven. But today I'm gonna make 4 of my recipes in this air fryer toaster oven by Michelangelo. This oven might be small, but it is powerful and a great option to keep baking during the hot months. So, here we go! To start, I want to try to make something easy and fast. I am making my sourdough flaky biscuit recipe. You can make this in about 30 minutes. To see any of my recipes in detail, please check the description of this video or go to my website. I am cutting 6 biscuits and placing them on the baking tray. You can fit at least 3 more biscuits, but today I'm gonna try to bake only 6, and then more after these 6 are done. What I really like about this small air fryer oven is that it takes less than 5 minutes to preheat, and my biscuits were ready in about 14 minutes. As soon as I took them out of the oven, I brushed them with some butter, and I am ready to enjoy them with some delicious fruit marmalade. These biscuits came out great. Now, it is time to try my easy sourdough pizza. This pizza recipe with 70% hydration is my recipe for grandma pizza that you have seen in the past here in my channel. This dough can be made 2 or 3 days in advance, and you can store it in the fridge until you need it. This dough is very easy to stretch and shape. I am using a piece of parchment paper to place the pizza on the rack of the oven to get a better cook on my crust. I am adding a great homemade pizza sauce. Fresh grated Parmesan and mozzarella cheese. I place the dough in the oven on the middle rack and I select the pizza preset. To bake the pizza at 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius for about 9 minutes. I checked my pizza after 5 minutes and it looked perfectly cooked. After cutting it, I realized that it was cooked well throughout and it was delicious. Now, I am gonna make another quick recipe with the same pizza dough. This recipe of pigs in a blanket is perfect for your kiddos. The only thing you need to do is to roll the dough thin and wrap it around your favorite sausages very tight. Place the sausages on the baking tray and in the oven. In the end, you should have perfect cooked dough, and you can cut them into small pieces to make small bites for your children. And finally, I decided to try my recipe for sourdough sandwich bread. This is the biggest bread that I would recommend you to bake in the small oven. But again, the results were very good. I recommend you to place a piece of foil on your bread to get a more consistent browning on your loaf. But this bread was very soft, delicious, and very well cooked. I was actually pleased with the results. All in all, I have been impressed with this oven. It is a small device, but very powerful. It comes with 10 different accessories, like this rotisserie basket, mesh basket, and this cool handle to grab the baskets from the oven when they are hot. You can use this air fryer as an oven, dehydrator, and even to make yogurt and much more. The recipe possibilities are endless. The sleek design looks great on my kitchen counter. The oven is very lightweight, compact, and the best is that it is very easy to use. A great choice to cook and bake your favorite recipes. If you like this oven, I would recommend you to go to the Michelangelo website, as they are having right now their best sale of the year with up to 70% discounts and a 20% off with the code SUMMER20 on selected products. Check the description of this video for more info about this product. I really hope you enjoyed this video and all the ideas to keep baking during the summer in this air fryer oven. If you like this video, please click in the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new video every week. Thank you for watching.